Welcome back to my channel. Today we are creating this summery tropical look and we are using GlamLite palettes here. These are the artist ones. Yeah, that's what they look like. Absolutely love them, but let's go ahead and get started with this look. Okay, so to start off this look, we are going to prime. I am going to use Avent Pro Perfecting Collagen Primer for my face. For my eyes, I am going to use Viseart. Now technically you should put the eye primer on right before you put your eyeshadow on, but I have this problem with my eyes where it takes a little bit for the product to absorb into my skin. So I like to put it on like when I'm starting, just so it kind of gets in there a little bit, because ideally you want the eye primer to be a little bit sticky so the product really sticks to your eye. But my hooded eyes kind of get kind of like boob sweat. It's not oily, it's not, you know, sticky or anything like that. It just gets really moist in my crease area and it just doesn't absorb well. So I like to do it early on so that it does. All right, so let's go ahead and prime. Alright, so I'm going to go right into foundation, and I am using the Beauty Blender Bounce here. And this is in shade 1.30W. I am going to do the concealer next, you know, like the kids do, because I want certain areas to be just a tad brighter. It's not going to be a lot brighter because I still kind of like my skin to look more natural. So I'm going to go ahead and put the foundation on. Alright, for concealer, I am going to use Trezac, this right here. And I'm just going to go around my eyes a little bit right here in the corner and then right here. And then I'm going to blend that out. I'm going to do a little bit right here just to lighten that, and a little bit here. Alright, so we're going to go into brows, and I am using Mellow, and I think I used this with my last look, but I'm using it again. That is what the product looks like. It is a pomade. I do like these because it seems to stay really well and has a nice natural look to it, so I'm going to do that. Alright, so to start off this look, I am going to go into the GlamLite palette here. I think this is the bigger one. I don't know the main difference. One is, I don't know. But anyways, we're going to use both of them. And I'm going to start off with this yellow color right here. Okay, so I'm going to use this yellow color here in the other palette because it's just a shade darker. If you notice with the way I'm applying it, I'm applying it kind of horizontally, and then I'm just kind of blending it together as I go along. The reason why I'm doing that, I don't do cut creases. If you look at my eye shape, when my eyes are open, everything that's typically on a cut crease, it disappears when I open my eyes. And my eyebrows are still kind of low, so if I did a cut crease above the line, it would be like right here. And that's just really not a lot of space to work with, and I just really don't like the way it looks. So I usually take and expand the color by going above it and then blending it out so the look carries from the lid down onto the eyelid right there. Okay, we are going a shade darker now with this color right here called Tangerine. Okay, so now we are going to go back into the larger palette and use this color right here, and that is orange. Okay, so now I'm just going to take a brush and just kind of blend it out, clean brush right here, and just kind of blend it so it looks nice and smooth and gradient. Okay, so I do want some sparkle on this, so I'm going to go in with the Cardenium Yellow in the small palette, kind of towards the inner part of the lid, and then I'm going to go back in on the outer part of the lid with this gold right here, because this one's just a shade darker, so it'll give it a little bit more dimension when I put it on. Okay, so now I think I'm going to go in with this green right here in the big palette under the eyes, and then I'm going to go in with this blue on the outer part under the eyes. I'm thinking I'm probably going to also use this royal blue too. So it's going to be those three colors, and I'm going to do the green, the light blue, and then the darker blue. Okay, so we're gonna make the under eye sparkle and pop just a little bit more. So I'm gonna take this titanium white and go over the green area that I just laid down, and then I'm gonna go and use this cobalt, sorry. I'm gonna use that blue for the blue that I just put down. Okay, so we're going to use this blue paint pen from Illuminati. This is an electric blue, and we're going to use that in the water line of the eyes, just the bottom. Okay, so now we are moving on to the top liner. We are using the GlamLite calligraphy pen here. You see that? There you go. I guess you can't see it like that, but it says calligraphy on one side and GlamLite on the other. So that is what we're using to line the top of the eyes. I don't know what I was expecting from this eyeliner, but this is really good eyeliner. So if you're into liquid liners, definitely check this one out. Let's move on to mascara. I'm gonna start off with this right here. This says Heroin Make, I don't know all this stuff. Was it Curl Keep Mascara Base? So this is meant to go on before your mascara to curl your lashes. I do not like to use the curling lash thing, you know, the tool, because it just ruins your lashes. So I use a curling base or curling mascara to curl my lashes. So we're gonna go ahead and use this on the top of bottom. I got this off of Yes Style, and yep, that's what I'm using. Okay, so for bottom mascara, I'm gonna use Bad Gal Bang. It is this blue. I want to exaggerate the blue under my eyes just a little bit more. That is why I'm using that. And for the top lashes, I am using Elate. Is it focusing? Not so much. Anyways, this is what I'm using for my top lashes, and this is in black. Alright, we are moving on to some light contouring because I just need to give my face a little dimension. And I am using Park Avenue Princess by Tarte. I'm going to stick with mainly these two colors right here. Okay, so I am going to use Natasha Denona Glow Gold for this look for the highlight, and these are the two colors. I'm going to start with the light. No, actually I'm going to start with the darker one, and then I'm going to go into the lighter one. Okay, so we're gonna go into this LMR palette right here. This is kind of an orange color here. We got Castaway and Scorcher. Those are the two colors I'm going to use for blush. So I want to smooth this out a little bit, get rid of, well, basically just give it a nice soft airbrush look. So I'm using some setting powder. This is Get Set Face Powder from Private Society. Alright, for lip color we are using MAC in the shade Frost. I'll show you the color. It's a nice shimmery orange color. Alright, so now we're going to set this look. We are going to set it with ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Mist right here. And we are also going to use Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. Alright, this is my finished tropical GlamLite look. What do you guys think? Do you like it? If you do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts below. If you want more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video.